Why is it important to keep adding fertilizer to potted plants? Plants that grow in the ground have access to infinite resources within the soil. They have leaves falling, which is breaking down and adding to the organic matter. But potted plants, on the other hand, have a limited resource that is available to them, which is within the pot. So this potted plant has a limited amount of soil, a limited amount of fertilizer, which gets used up with time. While the soil retains its quantity and structure, the important micro and macronutrients of the soil get depleted over time. And it is important to ensure that these micro and macronutrients are added to the soil on a regular basis. Adding 1 handful of fertilizer once a month will really help your plant boost its growth and keep its immunity strong so that it keeps away all those bad pests and diseases that can cause a lot of damage to your plants. Remember, fertilize your plants regularly.